Welcome to Cook with Pictionama. When you have milk and eggs at home, you can come up with so many dessert recipes. Today we are going to show you an easy dessert called Ande ka halwa. With milk, eggs, ghee and some spices, this is a must-try dessert. Take 4 eggs in a mixing bowl and whisk. Add 500 ml of milk to this and some yellow food color and whisk thoroughly. Alternately, you can also soak some saffron in a portion of milk half an hour before. Take a tablespoon of ghee in a heavy bottom saucepan. As the ghee melts, add half a cup of cashews and raisins to this and roast till they have a nice golden color. Take them out and keep aside. In the same pan, add another tablespoon and a half of ghee, add a couple of green cardamoms and 2 bay leaf. Let them slowly brown. And then add your eggs and milk to this, while stirring continuously and keeping the temperature to a minimum. With the heat at the lowest, keep cooking the milk and the eggs till they change consistency. From this point on, it's all about patience. Trust me, this one is much faster than most halwas or kheer. All you have to do is stir continuously. If you don't stir, the milk will stick to the bottom, and the eggs will need to be cooked over low heat only. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar as per your taste when the milk has more or less thickened. Keep watching as the texture changes. And at this point, you can also raise the heat to a medium level. Add cashews and the raisins and let the custard simmer. Keep at it. And till the water evaporates and the ghee starts to release from the bottom and the sides. So just keep doing it. More or less takes about 8 to 10 minutes. It changes into a beautiful, sticky, small grains, much like a mihidana or small bundis. You can see the ghee at the bottom. Now take the seeds of 6 green cardamoms, crush them and sprinkle right in the end. Give it a nice stir and turn off the heat. The cardamom masks the flavor of the eggs. Ande ka halwa is ready and you can serve it hot or warm. If you like this recipe, do give it a try and let us know your feedback through the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more everyday cooking.